Alright, we got the fabric ironed out, all 5 7/8 yards of it, smoothed out, laying on the cutting table. Now what we want to do is match the pinstripes, so we'll stick a needle in it on this side and then check it. Make sure it matches the pinstripe on the other side, which it does. So that works out just perfectly. So, we want to lay out our biggest pieces first, which is our pants on here. I've added an additional 5 inches on the bottom, and that is for the turn up on the cuffs. And I need to trim off this extra piece here that is for the back, and then we can go ahead and tape it back on later, or I can do the back first and then do the front. So we need to match up the center line here with pinstripes, so that way everything on here is even. And what we'll do, get a weight, piece of chalk, and what we'll do here is we'll mark this pinstripe, and then we'll mark this pinstripe, and we'll see if they match. They may be a little off. Not sure. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. So now we can go ahead and line it back up on here. Line the pinstripes up. Line the pattern up to the pinstripes. There. Great. The only thing I need to do, I'm going to cut out the back piece first, because I have to fold this under. We're going to add a piece of ease in there anyway, but I still wanted to lay it out. There's the bottom. These are the balance points that I'm chalking in. So when you're putting this together, you can match everything up. By just matching up the balancing points. It's rather important also that you keep your chalk sharp. So big pair of shears works really good for that. curve this. It's called a fishtail in the back. And what it is, it's for people who wear suspenders, and it allows the pants to ride up a little higher in the back, so you actually get a better fit. There. So that's outlaid now. Now I need to mark the pocket here in the back. And it should be center on this would be 4 3/4. And then each side of the pocket is 2 3/4. Balance points here, here, and that's the back. Cut it off to the side, get some of the smaller pieces here in. It'll fit up in this corner. Before you ever cut anything out, you want to lay everything out on here. It's just a must. If you don't, you're going to wind up wasting more fabric. So again, line it up on the center line here, and then check it. That's perfect. Now, go ahead and we lay out the vest. This is the vest front. And then we'll lay out the vest front lining and the bottom piece for the vest also, because those just require small pieces that go in there, and if you have to, honestly, you can piece them in. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and lay out the lines for the pockets on here. those are lined up. Now, what we want to do, we're going to drop the shoulder a little bit on this. So, we're going to curve this in just a slight. Here like that. So that's the vest. All this stuff will get pinned up and tailor tacked together. But for right now, we're going to lay out the bottom piece. It goes on here. There's a piece of lining on the bottom here. And then you want to mark these also, so you know it's the back. Otherwise, you're just going to cause problems. So, we can probably actually get this, take it in two pieces on here. This will be for the front inside lining. And we'll probably have to make it two pieces, I would imagine. Put this up here so I can maintain the same. It's 1 3/4 inches wide. So that piece will get attached onto here, and it'll work out well. You try to use the least amount of fabric, if at all possible, on every time you lay out. It's just, you want to use all the scraps.